Unable to do release update on Ubuntu 14.04. I'm currently trying to upgrade a Ubuntu 14.04 box to Xenial. I'm trying to do the release update, and it's failing with errors like Unicode decode error, UTF-8 codec can't decode byte 0 by 96 in position 382, invalid start byte. It looks like a known bug. I've tried that and had no luck finding the offending package, and disabled/removed my two non-standard package.lsd files for Notasource and VM repositories. The traceback reads something like this. And there's nothing really helpful in the logs. How would I get the release update to work?
What you have there is the upgrade script itself tripping over invalid data somewhere. You need to find and remove the invalid data. In this case, it was the package vmsnap. Removing that package should fix it. But because this is different for each case, I'll describe the steps taken to reach the conclusion. It is a fairly complicated process. This is a fun one, because Python 3 strings should all be in UTF-8. What you have here, discovered after the fact, is a C module, apt_pkg, somehow inserting non-UTF-8 data into a Python 3 string, therefore breaking every attempt at reading the string. Notice how the error handler itself threw an exception too. Into the debugger we go. The best way to diagnose issues like this is to cause the debugger to pause before the line that fails. With Python, when you have a series of nested calls like this, the easiest way to add a debugger pause is to edit the file itself. Using your example, we can see that the failure in question is in the file /tmp/ubuntu release upgrader wodec_z/dist upgrade/dist-upgrade-cake.py, line 806, so let's fire up a text editor and go to that line. The temp path will be different for each run, so make sure you use the one from your error output. From here, we can first add a simple pause in the debugger, by inserting import pdb, pdb.set_trace, on line 806 just before the error. Because this is Python, the indentation is important. Now we need to run the modified program. Don't run do release upgrade again, that'll probably download a new one. See in the error logs, the first line after original exception was? The one with /tmp/ubuntu release upgrader wodec_z/xenial? That's the one you want to run. So run that file, as root, or sudo. Running that should get you into the debugger, pdb. From here, we figure out how many packages there are in total. The easy way to do that is to run sum1 for underscore and self. Wait a bit, this can take a while, and it will print a number. In this case, it was 76,028. Now, since the error probably doesn't happen in the first few, and we don't want to manually step through and GT 75,000 packages, and we can't add an exception handler, because the error is so bad it breaks Python itself, we need an alternative. Remove the line added in step 4. Edit the code to print an incrementing number out for every package. For example, add foo equals 0 above the loop on line 802 and foo plus equals 1. Print foo on line 807 just before the erroring line. Run the code again, using the same command as in step 3. It will print a large list of numbers. Let it keep running until it prints the error again. You might need to enlarge your window. That last number should be the package it crashed on. Keep note of that number. Now that you know which package/number causes the crash, it's time to add the debugger pause with a condition to only execute on that package. For example, if you crash on package 72285, add if foo equals 72285 column import pdb.set_trace, just after the line that prints foo. Run the code again. Now when you get into PDB, it should be on the package that causes the crash. You can type in the name of the variable pkg to print its value, which will tell you the current package's name. More generally, typing in the name of any variable will print its output. Remove the offending package and try the upgrade again, from a clean do release upgrade.
E se wanted to support the channel, please consider subscribing.